Hello YouTube. It is Burbizuka. Experts tell who needs more protein. Maybe it's you. Protein is one of 3 macronutrients that our bodies need in large quantities to perform various functions. It is the building material of our body, which is TCNMDRF, LJQ cells and tissues. It is necessary to strengthen the immune system and improve the condition of hair and skin. With its many health benefits, several high-protein diets, such as the Atkins and Paleo diets, have gained popularity among people trying to stay healthy, Times writes. Most often, a diet rich in protein is chosen by those who want to lose extra pounds or build muscle mass. However, protein is needed not only for weight controllers. Here are 5 groups of people who need a lot of protein. For those looking to build muscle. Without enough protein, it is impossible to increase muscle mass. Protein is a vital macronutrient that is essential for tissue building and repair. It also helps in muscle recovery after intense training. Those who have a tendency to be overweight. Everyone knows that some people gain weight faster than others. For some, it is enough to overeat just once for the scales to show a disappointing result. It is beneficial for these people to consume more protein, which makes meals filling, suppresses hunger and prevents muscle loss. All this helps to maintain weight within the normal range. Middle-aged people. People between the ages of 36 and 55 need to consume more protein. This helps to avoid age-related muscle loss. But it should be borne in mind that after 50 years, people are more prone to high cholesterol and blood pressure. Therefore, at this age, plant-based protein sources such as nuts and whole grains should be preferred. Vegetarians and vegans. People on a vegetarian diet often don't get enough protein from their diet. This increases the risk of many health problems. Therefore, vegans and vegetarians should pay more attention to protein foods. For those who suffer from hypothyroidism, a diet high in protein helps boost metabolism, which is essential for people suffering from hypothyroidism. An underactive thyroid gland can lead to weight gain and problems with losing it. Strengthening metabolism helps to lose extra pounds. Thank you for your time and attention listening to me. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. You can also click the bell sign to be informed about new videos. Have a great day.